Hello, Financial Minister of Latvia. We are very happy to see you here and happy about the opportunity to find out your own opinion about Latvia's economical situation.
Hello. Hello.
So what about an economical situation in Latvia?
It's very good question. I think it's okay.
Okay. Another question. What about the money you want to borrow?
It's other question.
Yes.
Okay. Nothing special.
Okay. Okay. How much do you need?
I need. Much? Too much?
Okay.
Very much.
Okay.
I'm serious.
Yes. I'm not unserious. I'm serious minister. Not serious. I'm a Latvian minister, but I'm not serious. I'm serious.
Okay. So, Latvian or English?
English. What?
Okay. Just
Kas tas pa jautājumu?
What's the question?
What's the question?
I would love to suggest you. Maybe
I
we
love to.
Yes. We could try Russian language. I think it would be easy.
No. Speak English.
No.
English speak, please.
Я могу.
With me.
Я могу по-русски тоже.
No. No. I'm minister.
Okay.
I'm Latvia in Europa.
Then maybe we can try Latvian, please. Latvian language, okay?
No. English. Absolutely English.
We were talking about banks, about money. Okay.
Banks, yeah. Latvia, too much bankomats.
Okay. What about the situation with the so famous bank, Parex Bank?
People happy. People sing and dance and kā ir piekties? Shopping, fishing, sporting, driving.
So,
Maybe some little alcohol and driving. It's Latvia.
okay. But what about people?
People too much.
I want to know, you were consulting with other ministers of Latvia. What is their opinion?
I think so. Military minister is my friend, very good. And culture minister, my friend. Three ministers' friend.
Okay.
Dance and sing minister and go to planet.
Okay. Maybe I just want to know just your opinion about the economical situation in Latvia. Only in Latvia. I'm not talking about other European countries.
Yes, you know Latvia? It's good people and nice music. My country. Not yours country. My country.
Okay. So maybe there's something you want to tell me. Something special about you?
Special, yeah. I'm special, I'm happy because I'm first minister, I'm happy and I like water sport. Sit down in ship and cask. F1.
Does government feel guilty about the situation in Latvia?
It's time situation. It's okay.
Okay, mister. It was a very pleasure to receive you here. Thank you.
This
And
pleasure too.
good luck.
Good luck too. See you later.
Pirmkārt, Es te pieliecu pirmo pirkstu. Pirmkārt es uzsveru, es nesaprotu, kāpēc šis jautājums vispār ir uzradies. Otkārt es te pieliecu otro pirkstu, jūs man neredzat. Es esmu pieliecus otro pirkstu, viņš ir labākais finanšu ministrs, kādu Latvija šajos laikos ir pelnījusi. Un treškārt, un te es esmu pieliecis trešo pirkstu, viņš diemžēl jau pošās uz citu darbu, jo Bloomberg TV viņu ir uzaicinājis par konsultantu visām pasaules vadošajām TV kompānijām, kā celt televīzijas reitingu. Man viss